Okay. For Makwabana. And then Branda 31st May. And your Branda panel, the face of UTV. Sir John Kwaba. Kwaba.
I ask commissions what did
I am who's
well, I oversaw Tommy. Tommy.
Oh, but how much are you worth?
Same way.
How much are you worth?
£500,000.
What?
£500,000. Also, we
did this between 500,000. It's got to be.
I don't know the team one about
Reverend Francisca Cosby J from Family House Chapel, wife of Apostle Cosby J from a Racy Hacho, Ekomok. It's your birthday, Reverend Francisca Cosby J from a Family House Chapel. You are the wife of Apostle Cosby J. And then Anakosria Boatima Techia Pia. You are 7 years today. You are in class 1, Creator Schools Tema, from your father Emmanuel Techia Pia and Boateng of UTV. Right. Sir John. Yeah, this is social media. I'm saying Jama IGP Robenian tomorrow.
Why?
IGP. Because in some PPP, so no, so.
No, Nadia. My mother tear for area 4 at Chanope. And I'm Chama, I'm President Tadeo Sheno. And no been a Sheno.
Yeah.
I mean,
commander.
Commander. You know the crowd about said there be a one black, you mean, baby, I'll call you, can say, there be a president black.
Black.
Some may one.
Oh, pot.
Me one of me as a black.
Oh, Buano.
Send rat noir, Professor Mills. New one, you know. The drama for so on your kaya. We don't know some
blue black.
Yeah.
Sir,
black.
Sir.
What have said? Yes, keep walk for you, but you
are
sir, with
the time
500,000.
When the way them.
Okay.
The
first of all, we did this as Wababe deny, but still I'm for person pushing.
Tige, my chair, a real scacra. Let me nip. That's so the other be a me say, Obi Sabi or Tra Sabi, I could call Jan Nego and what them. Okay, just old chair or a rotate honey, now you also me. As no new, who down on Covetum. That's what's me. The American America was here to say I looked Jacobs, the Chiana pay. So to quine now or America now or far United Kingdom, no Cocodra. But you say Obiano said, I said, Iran Kobi, son of Yatie. Can offer here? I say, Obakudu. What kind of story? No, Mitiano over city. Okodri and the poor friend first, and Ibrahim, President Mia.
Sir.
Yes. On one casa, tear tapri. And no me a DB make my body bang premotry.
Ibrahim.
The power friend first was Ibrahim. Please, please. We are not bad. Never Metiano. I still have it there.
Maminko.
Was Ibrahim a friend no needing come so? Now now he knows so much more American hotel say. No, now that I want to ask me about somebody. And Ibrahim Kachin, say Ibrahim Adalma, Guanti. Ibrahim Yamisha on a pay wire, dear sir. What you want about money? But take care, dear, when you say, what be a what to cry or could draw sitting in Uncle Beer. It will could read 1 year and can't any wife say, Makodu. And the power tipper, take a minimalist in me. And then the power friend first, a muscle there, when you'll be a young child, say Ibrahim, and the Dika friend say, Asma Benny. Another hope. As some way see him, ticket. A brand table was so 1 way 8-2.
No,
D, one might be wrong. Ticket. As some bar now, what woman I say as some. What is your statement to be? What Clement or creating impression say? I will take crown, we more walk America crown, UK crown for one for UK. Now, that's a way a jumper. That's a one walk as a ma, I will take dear. A blow will be an so a flight B and you could see hand a gonsa coin. And then a woman, na branch no dwane a it was say alote amfa UK no okọ direct to the US and then omu enu ye one
ambassador me ba can I with respect to Wenana because Mr. Benene di nkomo no
exactly
he gave us an impression say he had nothing to do with UK.
Yes, he seated.
But because me bisa no say you say enye UK crowd
US.
Oh, Nuruddin
Nuruddin we can statement no.
Can I
interview no. Who the BA? Who ko America? It's common sense. Who ko America? Either who for Delta Airways and you go Washington straight. If who for any European airliner but
let me do my analysis. Let me do my analysis.
You continue.
Obi awe Ada or free Ghana economy and aid there. I will claim so no kasama. Are you telling me say no nim say or of a BA and the equana? And then no work no so. No person I would defend there. On the Trabia, the man who we are say. I'm not no Sebia and now say Baba want to be where Bawa Lotte office. A Trabia can be the channel. But the person will defend you will be in no. No form story be, but not story arm what.
So could it be said na nim na onim?
Yes, but only more, and young chinchina chick, 7 minutes say, or American one call UK. I better thought you're to call UK. It is some neighbor. I told some mensa. Story some buy. Sir, a branty, I must say, I'm a friend of mine. I'll tell you of the Nadam for Don Benjamin.
Nadam from make us know a British.
Sir,
Sir John, what tonight?
Okay, as someone can any Britain.
Yeah,
sir, Papa. From her some beer bow. Obin Masamba was mini. Shatawali Asamba was mini. One will be a simple war, or Peko and Crack Noticuma. Assembly of what is a clan. Why in the catcher and set one quiet investigation? Is it the president? And now say the foreign minister. And now say Alote Jacobs 8. And the catcher so Uncle Checky. Assembly see after Alote Jacobs on a 2 young. Why in the man sign structures? I want to know because men tells here. As some mama chia and a man dear. As someone I see. Now what you catch him say, Naili the environment. Or you issue statement.
Why you should I'm
name story no sir. Yeah, you know. So say you ambassador or a United Kingdom, Victor Smith. And then Victor Smith mum said about Kumkushiano airport or buy you the choir once and buy. And then the foreign minister issue statement and now say Victor Smith Ankasa. Now move the British High Commissioner Okuma.
Maybe some kakra. Sir, the statement no in an official capacity and answer he took to social media to say or any near man.
First of all, as our question will say, no one I'm simply say. Now say yes, so issue statement to be. Or Mama confirm say statement don't issue or baby didn't ask it. So on one woman make a test story on issue statement. Now and near my woman because Mr. Mekunu obi so account wa wo mo cho kata koma ayi for your friend say this hitro for kobusa wo mo say anya bia no alo Jacobs bibi atonwana I've read me have be chiro wo mo say we cannot comment on the incident. These are my emphasis. Was it we cannot comment on the incident? What was the incident? I want to see me comment. This John Benjamin because the BNC. Now so the BNC ticket and then also catch us said we cannot comment on the incident. Now Mungobusa, the British police. I have it here. So you can see anymore. Now a black pataku yeno. Okay, yeah, story. You better just say pataku with the pataku power. Ticket. Kabos on my neighbor goes to Kosovo. Not Jaka FM. Yakaya pair of a Janagoso. One more than I will tell the cops I know him very well. salote pa se bibia nto no na bibia nsi na sem bia mai se de oduntuo bitwonwu no kalote ko be kom to say you know we wotum se ne nsem okeka no etisi ani mu ye but beyond that omusa no say take it now the call you know our fly first class the minister everyone say the chief of staff and the permit papa some instructions say I will try no I will the man can't we the man ka pepe because we man tie no amfanya adwuma to say the president can say obi declare na say sir o mo kata say declare china say the president I want to be no some pepe na we allocate of our flight to no orders no yes apart from the minister obi am fly a business class why the no fly business class you go say no a we say company no a oni yan ya ba be adwuma sa company no na twa ticket man no and the hotel a oda ne bo wo se ni pa me no bo no ticket hu papa come and me between aye no when the TSS can no there's a sub company no a then it seems to be said there's a conflict of interest obi a oni e ba adwuma wonya nya adwuma na ye connect sika ye din upfront send the funyafu sika na ko no a ye kan was mom say me kan no ticket bi no ti maybe there say no kro ba say no kro say no kro ne wo yi no koma I will tell you ko wo yi to chiao okwa wo frɛ no na wo yi de amo ye sika na
ya fa ne bia okɔ adwuma tripa ebia wo yi may not be the first person about
TK wo free no ha pack we ma oba yi ni to oba the packet na na no chama ko india na no chama ko india ogudu ya no friend wife chama wo ya chama betuso alma sorry
tiki
mona mo wo pa BBC BBS
ko tiki woni ho otimika
BBS mi kura mi tia wona wo hwe ne pe na mi tia so jo na tiki BBC oh munya
tiki mama fa yin ma
okay ya bu tiki
what be mama tiki but what can say yeah Sunday na azi osha de Austria ne adoye
Friday
adoye
MPP ono de
because I capture from referee I capture
hops ono de two social
no the two
no cressa
no the two
the enti me mente ono nanu ase
no ma kankan nanu ase
no
o say obi ine omo information say plane land war Heathrow no ine nkofo anan brema mbemfemba ebaasa na besia kwar na oba plane no mu oba na obo bebi alote otne no na obi send sika hin no awo no I mean look at that. How can the British police walk into the plane? Of course. No, be so the sky hin. Of course. First and foremost, you have to go to the immigration.
It's not true.
Oh, please. Oh,
okay. So
don't disturb us.
Okay, disturb us, sir. Please, sir. Okay, fine. Sana story no Hobson Doye. That new explanation or the mind. Secondly, I look at Peace FM station. No, omo interview no. No say CCR na Odiani hotel or check-in. In the Ibrahim or friend. The our hin no say Omijinamu hotel me check-in. No say Aba Samaba. Ne answer there Ibrahim be Sunday Aba Samaba. No say Aba Asabi Abe. In Ibrahim okay chen the bomb what's watching for it midna dollar midna hotel for me check counter na me check in CCR
so it means the answer no
ne obi sanda aba sam no si wo Heathrow airport asem bi nsi
some see
ofi plane no mu no everybody who call transit to Krampa say terminal 4 eco transit to Krampa or there effort through immigration security checkpoint also because the flight was a bit further no one hotel Mokadawo airport 20 they have to come out of immigration to go and rest and come back to join American Airways to continue their flight because there is a co-partnership BA didn't call United Kingdom and he was joining AA to go to Dallas and so you have to go and have a nap maybe an afternoon flight or evening flight and then you move on. That is what happened. Nothing untoward. But Nana, or your election year. Election year. The import of this is that my social media somewhere. If you are not careful, social media one day only your country boko war. Because I tell any problem. I has not got any problem. What's about for lawyer? Naked deal. Look, please. Let's be serious about it. Let's be serious about this issue. In Crawford reputation at stake.
Why didn't he call his wife?
Well, by force, do you know the relationship between him and his wife? Also, in a counter. After no call settle in. Who settles in now? Now we book a hotel now. What out then you call your family. Also, in a counter, he is now checking, and then only the former attorney Obioye Ejmawo Attorney General's office, who is a member of organization now, or is two of them. Ono in Obabako. Obano, a former attorney general or Ejmawo Attorney General office. So it's a legal person. So at least if you can call the woman and ask her what happened. Oh no, I am not too. No, move for about. You see, MPP apparatus.
Read this.
Oh, say social media. Social media. Now, the British High Commissioner, please. The British High Commissioner, and a gentleman at City FM, right, sent him a tweet to ask him, say, Yachi, Central Regional NDC chairman, Wahitu Airport, but has he got any idea? No, so nothing of that incident has happened. It was a tweet. No. The first, anything that happened in the UK. The first person that you can seriously seek information is the High Commission.
No, you can go to your minister. Your minister of Foreign Affairs.
The person who tweeted should have tweeted and attended.
Read it.
The person who tweeted should have tweeted and attended. The person or tweeted British High Commission. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Please
read it. Read it.
You see, equalization with Ghana.
Yeah, equalization.
I'm watching. City MP, I'm watching.
Read this tweet.
Let us go. British border police. They are not obliged to give you an answer. That doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, but no, I want the world to.
That doesn't mean anything.
I want the world to know.
Please let me learn.
Chairman Pacho. Okay. Our taxpayers.
Look at that.
I'll say. Ghana, we are. Sorry.
Look at that.
We are unable to comment on the incident, but can advise to contact the police for any information.
Fantastic. Yeah.
So far, the Omako police, what are you?
I am on the floor. If you tweet somebody that, please, can you tell me an incident that happened? I will reply that. I can't tell about the incident. So forget about Pacho. Look, you cannot paint Alote Jacob said, why yes something on your tree. The man is now sitting. Look, British police, if Omo choose a amount of money, trust me, they don't allow you to go.
That's 500,000 pounds.
You have to justify. Yes, especially justify. Now, who do US? Who do US? There's an immigration form of what we feel. And you are in US, you are not to enter with more than $10,000 US. US, you cannot enter.
Who doesn't know this?
Why was he not arrested? Because you don't take me back. Who see British immigration? Now we call America. They will alert the American immigration. Say, "South Sea obey. Okra more than $10,000. It is an immigration for a custom form. No, when declare say okra more than $10,000, they will arrest him. Why didn't the British police arrest him the first instance. Secondly, why didn't the British police inform the American police that there's somebody on an AA flight so and so carrying $500,000? Please, £500,000. Please, let's be serious in this country. Let's be serious in this country. And I expect somebody like you.
They buy UK
somebody like Sir John, who is a lawyer, must know better than peddle this kind of rumors. It does not endure to the benefit of our democracy or our politics in Ghana. In your case, Amwati was arrested with cocaine.
You're free, Amwati. Sir John.
First of all,
but the point is that
let me say, say no question, it's not for me to determine. Yet me. That's some before. There be a some problem. And someone abam ticket. Sir, immigration for police for. Only suspicious of you are. Queen, na yellow. You go to you straight. Exactly. Because we do have no good information. It is this idea say, and the word arrest. Think what is an arrest? Say a banner, you suspect because this is not the first time I walk. It's a good information that. They will say, oh, gentlemen, good morning. Now, over here, we could say, a scassend ukra, waka, bucket scanner, or talk yanko, any company. You know what I mean? Popia, Hitro, Udua, Ubania, Chilobi, near that chance at a train. No, a month for no be a peer. Over Chayano, Omer, no me satisfied to say, the Huna, as a call. So, Oman is satisfied that, maybe a depot, and I don't. But that something happened to a lieutenant governor cannot be downplayed by anybody here.
That incident
cannot be downplayed by anybody. It did happen. But whether or not say no could have
you see,
whether or not could have whether or not you are interested now. I am not interested.
Now you are shifting.
But what I'm interested in what happened to you? Sikamwa, what go the hotel no. A foreign company be and they say no. We must
I'll answer you. It's unusual.
It is.
Unusual. Look, a company unusual.
Conflict of interest.
Company obey some amuta will take it. Who hotel training and yes, something unusual. But it happened unusual. And yeah, they happen there. That doesn't matter whether you are private individual. It doesn't matter you are private. It doesn't matter whether you are ministers foreign companies. They amuta badebia and yes, something unusual. What's serious about? We never did that. We will never do that. What are you talking about? 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 What are you talking about?
2 weeks now, become over
foreign government. What do you say? Foreign government. If you invite your president, the plane. Plane power over. This is don't bamboozle the public.
On my part, if you say about training, yes, Sir John Kai can photo. You carry the tools you know more. Yes, Baba Bijim. Baba, into young Quayanim.
I look at one weekend.
I'll make you.
I'll look at the
you're running our Bijim.
Which year for the wrong side of your ears? You are living on the wrong side of your year. Wrong side of your year. What wrong side of the year.
Front page of the Daily Graphic. Should we be happy?
Very much so.
Back to life.
Very much so.
Very much so. Factory to create more than 7,000 jobs.
Very much.
John Bayer was specify exact number. Also 7,000 and saying
356.
You own him number.
Look.
Yes, and pointed to direction beyond.
Exactly.
Yeah, reviving Adekye.
Oh, very important.
And sustain them.
This is a tribute to Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. A tribute to Dr. Kwame Nkrumah.
Why are they? I didn't know.
Maybe because this was a dream of Kwame Nkrumah. Obama Ghana, import substitution economy. When the Mauritius, when sugar you from Saint Louis, Saint Louis.
Oh yeah.
When maybe if you Mauritius, Saint Louis, the capital of Mauritius, if all Saint Louis, no Mushi from Saint Louis. And Mauritius was built on the back of sugar cane and sugar. The whole world. Mauritius is a small island in the Indian Ocean. But because of sugar cane, today they are what they are. The sugar yako school, stammer yako school, your chop boxes was a package blue. I know. I don't buy. Kwame Nkrumah thought it wise. If a country like Mauritius, why that Commander Sugar Factory, a Sutrari Sugar Factory, and sugar the young baby cry, molasses, who the byproducts, name it.
For those of us, in the
young Ghana food,
Commander,
you're good.
In spite of saying Mauritius, they were doing well.
Exactly, you're good. It is a summer oil right direction. It is the right direction. If you want to industrialize this petty, unassuming in factories or industries, and more economy, I build it up. Because now you are going to save over $200 million. You're able to make that BB. Because now, and then employment, outgoers, Commander Honu, the Asutuaria baby, sugar, you go. Now it is going to be revitalized. Youth now, instead of me fee Commander, no one best now Accra, no one ton lorry tie in a tie. Obey more Commander. Obodria, Oboko farm.
Factories bring raw materials. Factories of sugar, raw materials.
Alcohol, ethanol. The buy for the new crane in a Yamin Chazi. Obofo. It's amazing. More here, my Ghana, able to pull. That is all I'm interested in.
The question of sustainability.
Yes. And never will see before or important lessons for us to learn. Abazintin a yentum yan sustain previous ones. So correct those mistakes and make sure say this time that those corrective measures Obama industries not only Commander industry, the shoe factory, look, Bonso palm oil, all these industries that is agrarian. We are an agrarian economy.
That's what
we have to be. Our founding fathers thought it wise. Say, let us create the industrial base. But before you ever create industrial base, there was raw material base. And that is why the Bonsa Tie rubber factory, rubber plantation, Okreti rubber plantation. Oh yeah, Okreti. Exactly. Exactly.
And what's happening?
Exactly. In 1966.
When you go Oh really?
1966.
But we see the most of them collapse.
No. Our demise. There must be a cut-off point. Yeah, demise started 1966.
Na kumatos no bad. Master John.
And you quite one can. And if you had continued on that projectile, say you continue the Korea obisi Mitisa na so obisi obey Ghana as a Korea. Obi power. You find na adu dankwa. I will turn Ghana into Korea.
You don't believe it?
You are there about 8 years. One turn Chebi into water drinking area. Chebi.
Okay. You think Chebi recommender?
Abanaba.
So John, you are starting changing the structure of the economy now. You started with the factory. Commander Egu na ya revive. So maybe say
Adebia beba ebema Ghana. Mrantie ne mabawa. Mabunu enye nwuma ye no. Ade a yenyina ye preso. Ye politics a ye no. Enye politics a any time politics say the NDC boye bie no. Awo obi awo ya de no na ye twenwo ahwefam no. Ye de sanity. Na tige edikai Commander Sugar Factory said okay coming from in the year and then 1998 NDC for about 20 years and then take so many areas who call South Industrial and then industry say a warehouse Springtex the owner and you're turning to warehouse under if you're watching of under this NDC John Dramani Mahama I wouldn't that's all and it's a new biara Magana for you're turning now into warehouses all these factories
within 18
yes
and Nina
take it I'm telling you yeah no more share on by window number 3 a day kanya ye factory new Oracle for the Paulugu tomato factory. And then we say the tibia to say if you're watching ticket ebu kodoto under them share Japan textiles when if you're watching ticket busom it is saying it could see saying what you say it more never be able to say muguno it is a way supposed to move in year about it must be welcome. But don't do a move guno no. I'm not gonna for our home assem. Dig a young man film watching. No one trusts it and me tear and this for. Now no president one more dear to the ticket. Was it bossy our bo? $18 billion. One more. And now no so much for 3 billion from oil. It's a oil come. What can I say? 21 billion. Sika awura sen memu ticket woma committee sika o must say o must spend on side industries ya can now a new $100 million of the 21 billion just less than $100 million and we so men pick up one channel Commander Sugar Factory more than $35 million Kumasi Shoe Factory 20 million pharmaceuticals 20 million over out of the 18 billion industrial setup now, just less than 100 million per ticket. I know so. Scano, Sikano, the Benua 21 billion. I didn't know and the ticket, one no. But say, at a second, you could have our fra. John, your friend will be an offensive weapon. So could have a second could have an offensive weapon. But it could happen now. It may not necessarily be. It is so the 21 billion and this sponsor moi. One bed dear Sam. People got to brochure, people got to brochure, near 2
question, girl. Certain 1 billion in for industries.
Yes, and one must see lots of my for industry. One must see lots of my yellow. Secure visit ticket.
I mean, loans mean as it for industry.
No, what I walk up there, what I walk who's it for industry? Who's the one? I don't know why do they back. Why do they cry back? What no back? How can you say for industry? Yeah, British, better America cry. That's industry. Now, we are, can say, yes, yeah, $35 million now, a Danumbe Comuno, now can be put 10 million.
That's say a partnership. We said only episode 1 point DB.
Said don't acquire DSA. Will be able to say that The down plane.
You see
I don't get that.
The mentality. The mentality. The mentality. Mukosi flat staff out from 30 million to 100 million. Sir, ticket, sir. Muti flat staff out 30 million. About 100 million. What is Kawomu? Ticket when a tier for one much as a more only a pro for. It is one more Bibia. The piano also can be. But the American say, the teacher will say, Bibia ba about my Edma Babiane. Edma also say 7,000.
7,000 and what other can't.
What was the 300?
No, but
you would never know. You never know.
The ticket. One may pay a fool. Yabaka woman now, Kumo. And one may be a fool. And they say, say, what I talk about, promo, granted about way, promo, commander, yes, ye drop it, or me say, the commander penny, wonderful kind one, commander penny, commander penny, you say, function up and never. The celebrate the film, or mother to be, yet me young tomato, the can't yes, you want to phone you for tomato, it drew a price of no, jump a good, for or not the group, or buy. It way up, bay. Yet, your Pompey saying ye, because the percent my eba. That's a ticket. Say, the young woman say, I don't have to channel, you know, I fancy, I think they'll be the antenna. Almost Mauritius in India. It's not true. Oh, yeah, this is really.
When do we expect the fair production? But seems like Minya answered. No, you need raw material. Because one can be who cranka, ye be no, we craft package.
A new factory. They were ramping up. No, this is process of flow. Let us put that.
See a better test run.
Take it. Let us put whether sugar no ever. The important thing is that this a project a well thought out. Nobody, and I repeat, I buy an Indian partners. Ghana, nobody is going to Mauritius to go and import sugar cane.
It won't happen.
It won't happen. It won't happen. We have got to do as to try
and we are saying say go do a beer. I heard your name baby and I feel no we are exporting a part in this Ghana. He said he say cashews. They say
ticket. You know that Ghana no. As for sugar cane there. Idea. But baby dress sugar cane there.
Mr. Question. It's nanka enye first say and can we ya see BA. Nanka as part of your test run you be nanka teach it akusi.
That's not the idea. Idea you go a factory you be produce sugar. We are going to cut the importation of sugar by 200 million. Come tomorrow. That is trivial. Trivial. The factory is that's what a be produce there. Sugar. If tomorrow or today or whatever it is, a be produce. Trivial about the fair sugar. The fair sugar. Time I discover oil no. But
the day of our joy was the day who said the first year peer free movie. We were all happy.
Started the Professor Mills. The same thing is since our commission sugar no eba. We have no problem. You have no problem. Commander TK Muma no sugar no. It's about Monday. From sugar to be bright. Sugar. We are there, say. Why? Baka dey.
Aga ye ni akọ.
President de kasa. O kan say commander Krono. Ebe peja papa.
Exactly.
Ombeba krom.
Sadi wan ko bi to boss.
Me tie o.
Eno na mo.
Wo.
Na no. Tike jida. Sika ayira. This is your problem. 100 million. I call Jida. Omuya. Ayesu start factory. Akanipa do no say na kenti mo. Unim omuya Ayesu start factory. Ayesu start factory. Kasaba 25 million. Presidential initiative.
Okay.
Sada.
Commander. Last Friday, I'm talking about the place looks like a cemetery.
He doesn't speak for God.
This is Abri. In fact, for the train, come almost say, well, by 12 be statement.
Exactly.
But the statement may go either way.
I listened to an interview. Okay. He was diplomatic. Because also Oshia need a larger body to give him the roadmap. Abai no maba. Not naturally. There was negotiation since Thursday. They've been negotiating. Until I'm there by 12 o'clock. Catch the back and say, "Onja over television so or free." Or you disturb? What shall you not disturb me?
The person or can't.
Any indication?
At least 12, no. At least in there me
I saw
before I come here, no, maybe seeking information. They are in Ghana. Who can say me? Who can say me to say, why are you post safe? Why your former general secretary? Former secretary. Who buy for? Who baby?
Okay, what we
hopefully by 12 o'clock, more kind. I hope say don't be a very positive statement, so that you all of us will benefit from the judicial service. It's worrying. Judicial service of the country. I mean, things like that. No, you can't work. That I'm very happy. Say I buy and criticize one. I buy some more. They've got a case. Obiaji to me say more case. Into yan resolve case holistically. Obi no buy no de omo anye yanka ye ni bebe ye
tike etobia ya na politicians ni bi ye maye ade tumi ye ne ye maye say wo say tumi no ye kasa da be am president kofo tie say omo post bi adikoka oni sa tumi no kasa
makasa mo tumi
tike de ntia me kasa ne say na wo twe ne okaya me ni nati
me say omo ko negotiation.
Can I finish?
We said there should go a negotiation.
What you say? One sorry here here. Na strike no network. You have the tape.
Mankasa. You were here.
The mechanics to say, and we here cry say, you're twice so.
Exactly.
He has head on his face. If there's small kind, no more can catch him. wo wuni abemu sa wo ye regional chairman yes but one more take it for part in the decision no won come wo don no na anu ya na don mama wo kɔ home now me eti asamba won te me ti mo dem te
regional chairman
chairman of chairman ya ko bisa kwabra jei baka tro no wo mo e chairman asu ne dija ko bisa kwabra jei wo ti ase
me ko di bi e ba bi ejabi eti ko di bi ba ne be ejabi
me no je ma we ho ne say about kan ko na sanin ni tie the general secretary of jusa me do tie what tike won na so kai wo see ye ko chia aban wie ye no minister was what the letter be bre
amba
after the time mo kasa no na tata no mai na de ye kan say woni abofra afuom na odu ahye no anhye no odu ha no so aban boy ne nsam ne ye nyepe nokre e de nokre o nka bi da Domama or lack credibility. Say, when the president of Casama only saw and Domama. Tinano crowd will share press. Or no Casa was becoming Shabobio, that they have become Shabam Timiso. So, any mama, now don't know Muntimisha Bow in this one. And then the minister. Eti, oh, a summer urban, I when they say. A boy woman say woman nano, woman not to afford to people. Eti ne, Uncle Busham go for. Yen demonstration mempe. Menya Naka Bibia Cosu. Say. One no, I almost there. Say, Chessa. Now I'll tell you why.
I almost there.
I'll tell you.
Hey.
Say, and perform a Supreme Court. They are the contempt case. I could read the easy. Say, from Benya, Nakama, it will make you say, ya, na quarter, I'm telling you, you can run, but you cannot hide. Nearer. Momba's result of crisis. Point of view, one day, plan case in the BD. It is a moment more yourself. Oh, yeah, Sani and Papa. There was an annual what some don't call my industrial court to be near the Anna, secretary got also. Omo punch the fire first one on my file on defense. And I want you also my punch because we also want to find with it. There also will be a young man and what it will be. It's a ban your filing. What you say? It the can answer. We are more force in your Mama some money in your pen. Now, why a net teacher force I asking now. Send next week as say. Not that
community health nurses indefinite strike.
Second whining. Oh, second one or somebody from Kano. What is the money? What did Sikano? Gana more young ticket. Sikano more di.
Okay.
We are the public trade. We
are the young person can was a political language. And that's what we are.
I don't now you are control.
I think on a bank account.
Penny.
Mama Penny.
Bema Penny. Now they come back Penny.
Oh, wouldn't an account to Dubai?
Oh, I will tell you, sir. Tickets, sir. Yeah, more ticket, please. We cannot meet to meet now. No, yes, sir. Allegation against the president. Who evidence? Was it against the president? I ran away from it. I ran away from it. No, I can't. You see, what evidence? Me challenge you. What evidence? Me challenge you. I'm putting it to you.
we are order no flowing from Abu Ramadan and the Electoral Commission. I just want to read. Na mon cheme de
mo ade u ba de subio. Ade akanye by law.
That's what
amuna mo ha mo ade. Amuna mo ha mo ade. Tika. Yes, the by law.
By law. Last week Sir John can say me, but because me na me nya copy of the order,
committee,
it may kind consequential orders. Now, in the exercise of the powers conferred on us under Article 2.2 of the 1992 Constitution, we hereby make the following orders. The Electoral Commission takes steps immediately.
Exactly. Oh yeah. Wait. Exhibition.
Okay, immediately. Immediately.
Exhibition.
Now I have a copy.
Yeah. Exhibition.
Immediately.
Yeah. Exhibition.
Immediately to delete or, as is popularly known, clean the current register of voters to comply. Or say the cleaning no should comply. To clean the current register of voters to comply with the provisions of the 1992
exactly
and applicable law. B. That any person whose name is deleted from the register of voters by the Electoral Commission pursuant to order A above be given the opportunity to register under them.
Exactly.
Immediately.
There are some Supreme Court a kind of now justice the chair and pay. Now asma Okayan judge for the kind of say 1 month ticket will be a woo. A ma ye register and your and teach mark and until
a declaration trade.
Yes, Tiamfa Aquanaso. Yenny a woofon in a dream film. Ticket will be a woo. We need to register one. Oma Aquanaman Jundi. Out of be a woo. A quada woman. I am my register no a toast. Yafa Aquanasu. Yen you must do a film. Ubi or Yapada. A Mraman Paya or Tradin. We free one. Ticket Oman Aquana, Manchudi or your Mraman Pine. Ubi or Yaho. I won't free from her. I go for who may be determined who becomes the president of the country. Obi or who be as soon as one again. You different. Ticket we different one. Omanaquana, Amadrindi. Tapi. No, I know what say. And now say now no Abu Ramadan case, first case in the Bayern. Our Supreme Court just say National Health Insurance Card. And no Emma won't tell us we are gonna know. It may use super judgment. And the Supreme Court can say. And also so Obia will use national health. And what the Tony Dean. Yes, in one Ditrum say from 1A no, there was so I won't be no judge back some say. So in Biano, Mobile Mobatimi, Boko, I'm saying here, text steps, Mopaquena. No money south for the dream film. The one not say any woman from Swantino. Will you feel more Manaquena? Won't talk for. Take it with Mudao. There's a some producer. Will be a one pa. I am a scar. And the one because I didn't Mundao. Not member ticket about it. Now you can't say yeah. And now, and this is funny easy for the cassette. One more day. 1 month. One national health Troy in Omuni. Because at the time, oh yes. At the reason say at the time no won throw Mudino. Number no more qualified. But I know and the Supreme Court say Koko yi said dino. Na more makwanya nyen trouble for the ticket. We also crowd komubu. Say 1 month south phone. Say John because ka ho. Ba omia ka ho. Say Alote Jacob ka ho. Say one ka ho. Ticket. Wo ba na no ho say that dina mi ko ye. Mi ya. One member for Trabetia NDC, and now I'm going to be slow. Ticket, I don't know. So,
I understand the law. And you're quiet, but fast on as I say.
First of all, what did you say? Then, now, what I say, then you put us a comment to be. Yes, if one more dear to say, on from 1A. Honor, you already start. O ma me de say papa de say o fi ko yi no won say mo ho atike say mo ho a da de ye no mo sha se de ko fa sa form no and the become the political party quarters ya ake ni fi mu
so that chamade mo so me say bo de mo ti ase ne say yi no isi no betimi atena ne dem na wa fa form no na we
with political parties involved.
TK ko.
Order na nkasa political parties.
Other thing on the iPad kwagosha.
I mean say
me mutie.
Sir John.
Sir mutie. So one son of
me be so asem so. Say order na nkyesa na say eye papa so obo be sa de a. And na isi na nsa so ntimi nkasa okay. Me nya exhibition. Na me fa nya sa exhibition.
Would you know enye because exhibition no tie. TK exhibition here will be our register be adin was. But your friend Sham say, who register here with the passport, who register here with the card, who register here with national health. Exhibition no entimin check. It exhibition the photo you better okay. Check for so din wo. Okay. No more talk here we are. And the man just say advocate. And I say and
form.
Allotted the cop.
TK.
One fa
they go Cameroon.
TK. I'm say okay no. You see by existing law. Existing CI 91. Good. Me boy. Good. CI 91 no. Emma a law a why person ye udin fi electoral register mo ewo. CI 91. Me lawyer o. Me common sense. E kire me. Ne omo others omo can say the EC cannot act arbitrarily. Ono ka say ntumi mfa omo ne hutum. Nti number 2. Number 2, TK. What you say, Ukoye national ID card. One of the requirements of national health insurance. National ID no. National ID na ye no. Ukoya, who the national health insurance kwa, ye national ID ma. As at that time. Beba abeye. Iti obikrofo kutra national ID card. Say your cosa mresa. They have no business holding national identity card because almost the NHIA cards no mnukoye. Omunuka ti extending law na. Oh yeah there. If a politics in Tunchen. No one for na meeting memo example for that. Mimi call me national ID no. Me di me national health insurance card me koye.
That's all you get any. No no. I don't know. What you get?
Lots and lots of comments. Unfortunately, President Mohammed's term of office will never be renewed by Ghanaians, all because he could not fulfill his promises. Zingaro says that please tell Chairman Adekye to stop defending the wrong and follow the right. Because even the MPP, Bugri Nabu fan club says, good morning, TK. The NDC can throw dust into our eyes with fake releases from the British High Commissioner. Alote Jacobs was arrested for carrying stolen money. Hey, I see. And to where from a certain and you know where Bugri Nabu fan club, that is indeed if it's a Bugri Nabu fan club like us now. Okay. Tiki, Ghanaians should praise what is good because the sugar factory can help us develop as a country. Jimako said, hey Tiki, are we listening to football commentary? Excuse me, these politicians after which they will go and fill their stomach. Okay, all right, okay. Tiki, please tell Sir John that he shouldn't even worry himself because we've seen that the NDC doesn't have anything good for this country. NDC members, they carry our money and invest abroad for their own benefits. Two Brothers Ventures, Central Markets Etike, I always love to see Sir John and Chairman Adekye. They are really matured politicians, UTV all the way. So I'm going to the face of UTV because you can't UTV as someone a picture every year do the Please ask Mr. Adekye whether one becomes a minister. Okay, whether when one becomes a minister, it is his responsibility to they carries facilities to his hometown. They should spend an hour. Okay, I'm saying we can't chebi lots and lots of messages. Unfortunately, a time now as soon nya there a bit me TK near UTV near. Thanks so much for the program. But all in all, Sir John Wokrum says Sir John is saying in third now shall maybe 11 no person there kono. Na e be track no one time
But take quickly, I'm too for we allocated the court. So and not 10 years with the person and the journalism. Papa.
Oh, really? Oh, the press. The guy press the man platform.
But Miniano, says, walk away, baby, Okofetica, nothing in the crowd. As some no agent, no, but now we defend no. But defend no. But I saw, let's get no. I was say, oh, don't sacre. Don't live on 500,000 pounds.
20,000.
Oh, but I'm telling him, say, only attending. We are politicians. We are very seasoned politicians. As some people what in the years, man. The one which is Kaya would not. I expected the NDC to condemn that. Now you know who said one can. But is now defending. Yeah, wrong.
But not in respect of opinion. Okay. Well, meantime, happy birthday to you, Mrs. Kate Dixon. Now, our own wife, Mrs. Kate Dixon, now from Abigail Ashley.
The wife was a almost a chin and then the wife. I call you some. The wife work
because is it not worrying? Social media before generating letterheads. Yeah. So don't cry. Was a widow. Now, picture down.
And it's for the baby. Jake, you are number 4 sending messages. Say, for Kumasi, Syria call send people for. Obika John say, Messi Obi Anfa. Ni dimra ye fanya bibi
te say de
wo mo de koye ti mo anom sa e ko kuma sam se don ada na wo si e fa de na ne de aba na wo so o mu ya se ne ko fo se na ndis fo
na so mo nkan sa na se o my de letter say o ndis so o mu de sympathize with obi afare Sajo bedase chamna de kuka bedase winua baby otis wo hu so maba na de yam hihye no mame e friend no anobi and good morning and thank you so very much so
friendly fight
ye pege mo abusuafo yete bibia about usagna ye be mama ne ye 12 o'clock news. Thursday, Supreme Court bet now say that one I know. Gitmuns and 7 boka kopi e court di ye de ho ye nyina na ebebrem ha say ye da embetwafo nyina say then the crew ye da mu nyina so so ase pagya mu otsanya me yadwan
gitu omo ofie omo ofie am just udo mo cho omdo kwako udo mo ti udo mo na ti
ana mo di che agu mo
ebe so mo che agu mo na
mo so mo
udo mo na ti
mo so mo
udo mo na ti
unya won mai
udo mo na ti che agu mo na e za fo ye pagya mu otsanya me yaduma e be se hye be de mase